Korean Consonants Part 1. We're going over 5 consonants this time. The first one is K sound, N, T, R, L, and the M sound. So the first one we're going over is the K sound. I'll write it out here just so you can see. So this one always will be pronounced as the, mostly it will be pronounced as the K sound. So this is how you write the K sound. It's very easy, the K letter. So there's a stroke order. Once again, oops, my bad. It looks just like this, 1 and 2. So one stroke is the K sound, and I'll show you some examples of how you might see it with the vowels. So the K and so that's ka, K and E. So K. This one is K, same sound, except written different. This one, ko. This one, ku. And here we have. Next page, we have the N sound. Okay, so the N sound is written just like this. We have 1 and 2 over to the right. So it's just one stroke. There we go. Once again is the N sound, and I'll show you some more examples of how you write it. First we have na and no and ne, also n, nu, and no. Next one we have the T sound. It looks just like this, kind of like the N, but then we add an extra line. So we have 1 and 2, just like that. There we go. Once again, it looks just like this, without all the lines, and it's the T sound. So I'll show you some examples of this as well. We have ta, to, te, to, tu, and t. Next one we have the RL sound. It's kind of like Spanish, but you don't roll your R's. You kind of roll it, but you don't make it trill or anything. It's just an RL sound. So there are 2 ways to write this. You have the really complicated way, and I'll show you how to write it. It goes down and to the right. There we go, and then down and to the right. The other way is more simplified. It's fine too. You just do it in one single stroke, just like that. Okay, and remember it's the RL sound. So I'll give you some examples of this one as well. We have ra, ro, ri, ro, du, and le. Okay, and the last one we have is the M sound. It looks just like a box. This one's pretty easy to write too. So M. I'll show you how to write it. It goes down and to the right, right, and then down. And I'll show you stroke order. Just 2 movements. That's it. There are a bunch of different ways to write this, but I like to do it this way, and it follows the general writing rule for Korean. Once again, looks like that, and it's the M sound. I'll show you some examples. We have ma, me, mo, mu, me, and mo. And that's it for Korean consonants.